इनको स्टेज पे बुला के मेरे छक्के छुड़ा दिए। I have to dedicate this song to her, and after this song, I will be presenting her a CD which contains 18 songs of Mohammed Rafi, all whistled by me. And these songs are all love songs. For last 40 years, I have been doing this by saying I love you, but still probably my heart is not yet contented. So I want to say more and more. So this perhaps is one of the ways of saying I still love you. I will just read out the names of these 18 songs which have been recorded, and I might ask a couple of people from the audience also to tell me either the name of the song or the number from 1 to 18. I will choose whom can say this, and then I will just perform a few lines of these songs selected by people. Now, the names of these songs are आपके हसीने रुख पे आज नया नूर है, अब क्या मिसाल दूं बाहोशो हवास में दीवाना, दूर रह कर न करो बात करीब आ जाओ, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, वो तो है ही है, फिर भी एक हसीन शाम को दिल मेरा खो गया है कली कली के लब पर, हुस्न वाले तेरा जवाब नहीं, इस रंग बदलती दुनिया में जाने बाहर हुस्न तेरा बेमिसाल है, खुदा भी आसमां से जब जमी पर देखता होगा, मैं निगाहें तेरे चेहरे से माना मेरे हंसी सनम, न झटको जुल्फ से पानी, मेरी मोहब्बत जवां रहेगी, तस्वीर बनाता हूँ तेरी, तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, एंड फाइनली जरा सुन हसीना ए नाज़नी. So these are the 18 songs, and I will present that CD, and I will tell two people's names so that you can choose either the number or the name if you remember what I have said. Is Ramesh Jhawar available here? Ramesh ji. So he has given me a lot of support in preparing the karaoke for these songs, and without which I couldn't have performed. Then please select either a number or a song. I will perform the mukhra of that and keep it with you. I will ask you later. Any one person from Adab Rafi, please, can you raise your hand? Okay. So you can also either select a number or the name, and I will perform the mukhra of it. And of course, I have to be with her for the rest of her life, saying, I love you, I still love you, I still love you. So she will choose one song for herself. So first I will perform my song, which is a dedication to her, and then present the CD and those songs. Just a minute, sir. Check. कौन सा गाना है? देखो आप, तुमने मुझे देखा. have performed specially for her. The preparation for this was started from August, but I could complete it and present it only today. So, as the song says, 40 years back उन्होंने मुझे देखा और 40 years से मैं यही कहते आ रहा हूँ, I love you, I love you. Okay, now रमेश जी आपका चॉइस बताइए और आप भी ऊपर आ जाइए प्लीज. कवर है क्या तुम? प्लीज आइए ऊपर. I give it to you, sir. And please tell me the song you would like me to perform. ठीक है.
Thank you, all the best.
Thank you. कुछ नहीं बजाना. This was the 18th song, the last song. Zara sun hasina nazni. This is the song. सो थिंक बिना जी आपने हाथ उठाया था. सो आपका सिलेक्शन बताइए. हाँ. I think this is the only song in Hindi films in which the lover says to his wife that everything he has, he gives it to her, and he has become Kangal. So, of course, but I have not become Kangal. 40 साल से मेरे साल है, जिसके पास सब कुछ मैंने दे दिया, वो मेरे पास ही है. So, okay, let us hear this mukhra of this song. So this was this song. Now coming to my heroine. भाई मेरे लिए क्या आदेश है? अच्छा, she prefers me to perform the title song, the first song. I don't remember lyrics. Even if it is 2 lines, I need to see. Thank you so much for cooperating with me for such a long time. But this had to be done. Thank you so much.